Well, we're back on our property and we can see what all has been done so far. Got a nice wide driveway, I'd say almost 30 feet wide, which is good. And as we go here, we see he's got his two machines here, this mini excavator and a skid steer. A bunch of logs piled up waiting for the loggers, logging trucks. Looks like we may have to put a culvert here and another one over there where the dip is. I think that might be a good idea. Yeah, because the water is going to want to run that way. Yeah. And all that pile of stumps and treetops is going to have to be burned sometime in the fall. It was at the front of the driveway when he started, but now it's over here. And it's going to be moved further down because we want to go and extend our property down this way. So there's a good amount of trees that got to come down here too. But probably right where this pile of trees is and debris is where we're going to have our home. Let's see, I'll move over here. Actually, maybe a little further down. Now that I think of it, because I remember that ribbon over there. That ribbon. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, we're going to put first, I don't know if you can see that right there, but there is some, there it is, pink flagon. And then about 40 feet away, there's some more, and that's where the double wide was going to be, and then going straight down that way. But we're going to take that piece and move it 30 feet down this way and put our double wide in this section here, so it'll be flat. And then we just have to do something with the driveway so that the water runs in a different direction than where the house is. But yeah, we still want to go a little bit further this way and maybe a little bit further this way as well, so we have a larger backyard. This is exciting though. We're looking forward to having our home out here. Got all these trees cut down. Yeah, and the end of the property is just over here. Yeah, so he came and cleaned up a little bit in here. Probably this is about as far in as we'll go, and then you may or may not be able to see the fence there. It's just kind of like a wire fence. I'll zoom in on that. Let's see, can I see it? I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know. I can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the video. And then coming down this way, we want to go further in this way because we want to have a nice big garden. We want to have some fruit trees out here. And of course we're going to need storage room, so we're going to need a place to put a shed. We have a shipping container, a 20-foot shipping container that we're going to bring here too. So yeah, we need to go in further down this way. Yeah, this is nice over here. We clear some of this out. And have this area opened up, and I don't know, we could have our storage sheds down here, or maybe the garden down here. I'm not sure. The water will all run down here, so the soil's going to be always hydrated, I guess. That's where we're at so far. Hopefully, in the next month or so, we'll have this all cleared out. Well, it'll be before then for sure. But maybe in the next couple of weeks, we'll have it all cleared out and leveled out and have our plans to put our mobile home here. All right, that's it for today.